If you're a fan of late 1950s motorsport, then this might be the car for you. This is a Lynx XKSS, and I'm going to leave my very knowledgeable colleague Guy tell you a little bit more about this car.
What a fabulous thing this is. Of course, just 16 original Jaguar XKSs were produced in period before the factory fire, based on the Jaguar D-Type. These were the road-going version, the original car, owned of course by Steve McQueen. A small run of 9 of these cars were produced by Lynx in honour of the original. This car is fully aluminium and is in absolutely fabulous order. There's some great detail on this car, from the painted number plates to the correct instrumentation on the dashboard to the weather equipment. This is an incredibly rare car, and Lynx is an incredibly well-respected brand. It's great to bring this car to market. It will be sold on the 15th of November in Car and Classics Collector's Edition.